Hello, we're here in a cable car now at last, but you know, it's so scary me. I'm shaking. It's a nice view, you know, but
Like that.
Jesus, me, no. Jesus, it's so nervous, breaking my fears. I'm facing my fears now. Jesus. Hold breaking. Breathe. Hold breathing. I mean.
Yeah, I can see massive
Wow.
goats. Look, goats.
Oh my God.
Let me.
It's beautiful. Wow. Oh. Wow. It's so nice. Hey Jesus, me don't. It's so nice. Yeah, but this is the first and last. Not gonna do it again. Yeah, I hope we enjoy it. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh. Hey Jesus, don't.
What are you moving, woman? If it snaps, you're not going to know much about it. Why did you want to come on a cable car if you're scared to death?
No, because I want to try. But I know now not to do it again. Wow, very nice, you know, even though it's nerve-wracking, but it's so very
No, it's not. It's very relaxing. And now you're freezing.
No, I'm not freezing.
But what's...
I'm shaking because, wow, as in you can see all the views. But if you have a fear of heights, I recommend that don't do it.